At the end of this chapter, see some interesting scientific reason as we discussed earlier. Try to give the answer. First question, why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? Very simple. But you have to give the answer scientifically. That remember one thing here. I discuss all these reasons. I don't write the answer on the board because of some limitations. You have to note down this answer, okay, in your notebook when I say it. We will, once again I say that we will provide the note also, and in the note you can find this answer. But today, at presently, try to note down, try to think, try to find the scientific answer, and then try to note down. See, first, why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? You know that summer is very hot. During summer season, we perspire more and more. Because of the perspiration, what happens? Water comes out from our body. When some water particles are on the surface of the cloth, then evaporation starts in summer season. When evaporation starts, then it gains energy from the surrounding. Means rate of evaporation increases because temperature is more. That we have discussed it in the earlier topic. And the cotton particularly, when cotton, you know that cotton is the good absorber of water, and when it exposed to the atmosphere, there is easy evaporation. You have to write in this way that during summer we perspire more because of very hotness. First line, first point. Okay. Now, because of the perspiration, water and minerals comes out from our body, and the clothes which are wet, then it comes in contact with the atmosphere. Though there is a high temperature in the atmosphere, you know, if temperature increases, rate of evaporation also increases. And cotton is the good absorber of water. And that's why if you wear cotton clothes, then it can easily absorb the water, means perspiration, and this water comes now in contact with atmosphere and starts evaporating. And once again you become cooled down. This is the main reason why should we wear cotton clothes in summer. Second, why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? See, suppose you have ice cold water, means from the fridge. If you take some amount of water in a glass and if you place your glass on the table, okay, then after some times you will notice that there are droplets of water on the outer part of the glass. What is the reason? This water comes out from the glass, means the glass is porous. Do you think that? No, glass is not porous. All this water droplets comes out from the atmosphere. You know that in the atmosphere, water vapors are there. Okay? So when this water vapor, this air, comes in contact with the cold surface, that is glass here, then it tries to condense on it. And this water vapor condenses and converts into water. So after some time we will notice that there is a water droplets on the glass of which contain ice cold water. Same thing is happen in the earthen pot. In summer season, matlu jene kaho છો તમે, earthen pot. Okay, surrounding atmosphere, suppose there is a water particles are there, then this water particles set on this earthen pot outer surface, and the earthen pot becomes cool. And that's why we should drink water from the earthen pot, not from the fridge, but it is your choice. Now the third one is why. Third and fourth both are most important. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin? You know 273 Kelvin means 0 degrees Celsius is more effective in cooling than water at same temperature. We discuss this in another language. As for example, suppose તમારા ઘરે કોઈ ગેસ્ટ આવે છે અને તમારા ઘરે મમ્મી પપ્પા કોઈ નથી, મીન્સ યુ આર અલોન એટ યોર હોમ. હવે તમારા સંસ્કાર પ્રમાણે, તમારા ઘરની એક મેથડ પ્રમાણે, પ્રોસેસ પ્રમાણે તમે ગેસ્ટને પાણીનું પૂછો છો અને કદાચ વધારે ઉત્સાહથી તમે શરબતનું પણ પૂછો છો કે ભાઈ શરબત પીવું છે, કારણ કે તમને શરબત બનાવતા આવડે છે અને આમે સમર છે એટલે ચા કોફી જેવી હોટ વસ્તુ પીવા આપણે એમને ઓફર કરવાનો બી કોઈ મિનિંગ નથી. માનો કે તમે શરબત આપો છો, હવે તમે શું કરશો? તમે ફ્રીજમાંથી ઠંડુ પાણીની બોટલ લઈ અને એમાં પેલા શરબતની એકાદ સ્પૂન 1 ટેબલ સ્પૂન ઓફ સિરપ નાખી દેશો અને શરબત બનાવીને આપી દેશો, કે પછી કોઈ બી માટલાનું નોર્મલ વોટર લઈ અને શરબત બનાવીને એમાં તમે આઈસ ક્યુબ નાખીને આપશો. ઇફ યુ આર ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ, if your thinking is scientific, then you should use ice cube instead of cold water. Think this is depend on latent heat of fusion. You know that latent heat of fusion of ice is 373 Kelvin per gram. That means water is not cold as ice. If you take cold water, then its capacity of absorbing heat is nothing. Whereas if you drop ice cube, then ice cube absorb 373 kilocalorie per gram of water from the sharbat. Okay, so this type of sharbat which contain ice cube is very easily cooled down, suddenly cooled down, and that's why ice is more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature. And the same reason is about this. This is about latent heat of vaporization. What produces more severe burns, boiling water or steam? તમે શેનાથી વધારે દાઝી જાઓ, ગરમ ઉકળતા પાણીથી કે એની વરાળથી? Obviously the answer is steam, because latent heat of vaporization of steam is 2260 kilocalorie, 2260 kilocalorie per gram. Means when water converts into vapor, then in the vapor this much amount of latent heat is there and it releases continuously, and so you burns severely than steam. Okay, so note down this, whatever I said, you have to repeat this video again and again and note down each and every point, each and every answer. That's it for your first chapter of science, and that's it for the day. Good luck.